Hey guys, so this next tool I'm going to show you is the track history tool. It's this guy here. This one's going to be kind of hard to show you because this phone doesn't have GPS enabled, so I'm not actually going to be moving, but just kind of work with me on this one. Effectively, if you click on any sort of like ATAK user, it could be you, it could be Buddy, to like the 3-4 o'clock position here, there's the breadcrumb option, for lack of a better description. And if that's enabled, I enable it on myself, for example. If I move around the map, it's going to drop breadcrumbs for where I've been. And I can use that to kind of see where I've been or backtrack or whatever. Cool. So I can see where I've been and what direction I was moving when I did it. If I turn it off, it's no longer visible. If I turn it back on, you can see it. If you go to the track history tool, this shows you historically like different tracks that I have. So this one that I just now created is my current track. But say I did the same thing yesterday, the day before that, or the day before that, it would have all of my saved movements in the in this tool here. I can make it visible, make it invisible, export it, delete it, whatever, give it a name. This tells you information about that movement you made, when you did it, how far you went, how long it took you. If you click here, you can see the elevations, or your elevation change as you did it. So, kind of a useful tool. I've seen people use this where they did some sort of long movement and they lost something on the way, and they were able to look at their track history and see where they were, and then they like backtracked and found that thing they were looking for. So, pretty useful tool.